In this tutorial, I want to show you a couple ways that can calculate the slope and intercept in Excel. So the first is using functions, and the second using graphs. To calculate the slope and intercept using functions, for the slope, you can simply just use the slope function. So equals slope, and then your first argument is to pass in two known y values, which would be right here. Then the second would be to pass in your known x values, which would be right here, close parentheses. As you can see, the slope is 2.5. To calculate the intercept using formulas, you can just use the intercept function. So equals intercept, open parentheses, and we pass in the known y values, comma, then the known x values, close parentheses. As you can see, the slope of this is 2.5, the intercept is 0. Now the next way is using graphs. So we're going to highlight these values. So shift right arrow, control down arrow. Next, we're going to want to make a graph, clicking the insert. I usually just like to click recommended charts because it shows me recommended charts. Then scroll down a bit to where then we have a basic line chart. Click OK. As you can see, we have a basic line graph. Now we're going to add an equation for the line in Excel. So to do this, we're going to hit the plus sign to add chart elements. Then we're going to add a trend line. Now we're going to add an equation to the trend line. So to do this, we're going to click this right arrow right here. We're going to click the linear just to make sure the trend line is linear. We're going to click more options. And then we're going to scroll down a bit and then display equation on chart. And as you can see, here is the equation. Y equals 2.5x. 2.5 is the slope, and it doesn't add or subtract anything, which indicates that the slope is 0. So I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, or ideas. Thank you for the support, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.